Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing giant lizards. In this video, it's all about size and super lizard skills. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go. And if you love drawing and smart stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you about giant lizards while we draw. Giant lizards are reptiles. Can you say reptile? Reptile. Nice! Reptiles have scaly skin and they lay eggs. Their bodies get warm from the sun. That's called cold-blooded, but it just means they need sunshine to heat up and shade to cool down. The biggest lizard in the world is called a Komodo dragon. That's a fun name, right? It's not a dragon from stories, it's a real lizard. It can be as long as a couch. Whoa! Giant lizards have strong legs and a long, powerful tail. They also have a special tongue. It is forked, like a little letter Y. They move it in and out to smell the air. It helps them find their way like a super sniffer. Here's a friendly rule when we visit animals. We look with our eyes, not our hands. Animals need space to feel safe. We use calm voices and gentle steps. Zookeepers are the helpers who know what's best for the animals. Okay, pretend time. Imagine our giant lizard buddy. Let's name him Ziggy. Guess what happens when Ziggy goes on a silly stroll at the zoo? A breeze, whoosh, blows napkins in the air. Ziggy sees them flutter. He tilts his head. He flicks his tongue. Sniff, sniff. Paper doesn't smell tasty, Ziggy. He waddles past the snack stand and achoo! He sneezes from the popcorn smell. Popcorn confetti everywhere. The keepers laugh and gently guide him. They hold a bright target board and call him back in a calm voice. Ziggy follows. Step, step, step. Everyone cheers. What do you think Ziggy would do next? Curl up for a sunny nap? I think yes. If you think that was a funny scene, give this video a big like. Now some wow facts while we keep drawing and coloring. The final image will totally wow you. Fact 1. The biggest giant lizards can be about 3 meters long. That's longer than a car door and almost as tall as a basketball hoop if you stood them up. But please don't do that. Lizards like 4 feet on the ground. But that's not all. Fact 2. That forked tongue? It collects tiny smell bits in the air. It's like tasting the wind. Whoosh! What's over there? The tongue helps them find food and friends and remember paths. Fact 3. Scales are like tiny armor plates. They help keep the lizard's skin safe and not too dry. Sometimes lizards shed old skin to make room for new skin. It's like outgrowing your socks. Fact 4. Giant lizards love warm places. They bask, which means they sit in the sun to warm up. Then they might move to the shade to cool down. They know how to balance their body like smart sun scientists. But wait, there's more! Fact 5. Their tails are amazing. A tail helps with balance when they turn. It also helps them swim. Yes, some giant lizards can swim across water to find new places. Fact 6. They dig. Giant lizards can make burrows, which are tunnels in the ground. Burrows are great for a cozy rest when the day is hot. Fact 7. Some lizards, like chameleons, can change color to blend in. Others, like the frilled lizard, open a big frill to look extra big. And there's a basilisk lizard that can run across water. Wow! Our giant lizard has its own coolest trick, super sniffing and super patience. Slow and steady, but very smart. Let's play a quick yes or no game. Do giant lizards purr like kittens? Nope. Do they have feathers? No. Do they use their tongues to smell the air? Yes, yes, yes. Here's a life tip from our scaly friend. Be calm and curious. Take your time. Notice little clues, like smells, sounds, and shapes. That's how scientists learn. And here's a nature helper idea. Pick up trash with a grown-up. Use less plastic and recycle. Clean habitats help animals big and small. Zoos help too. They teach us, they protect animals, and they work with scientists to keep wild places safe. You're doing great! Keep drawing and coloring with me. The final image will wow you. Give your lizard a friendly look, a mighty tail, and a story in your mind. Is your lizard sunbathing? Is it peeking around a rock? Maybe it's walking gently with a zookeeper. Your art, your choice.
Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Da 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 da
Wow, you did amazing! Today we drew a giant lizard, and we learned reptiles have scales and love warm sun, giant lizards use super tongues to smell the air, and we should be kind and calm around animals while helping protect their homes. And if you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends! Bye!